Good morning, student. Today I will tell you about cell. First of all, know what is cell. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of living organism. Why cell is called basic structural and functional unit of living organism? Cell is called basic structural unit of living organism because cells combine to form tissues which further combine to form organs. Organs combine to form organ systems which further combine to form organism, and the cell is called functional unit of living organism because cell perform all the life process that our body needs to stay alive. Now let's know about the discovery of cell. In 1665, Robert Hooke, a name of scientist, discovered cell. In discovering cell, Robert Hooke took a thin slice of cork from the bark of oak tree, O-A-K, oak tree, and then placed it under his self-designed light microscope. And after that he started observing it through his microscope. During observation he saw many tiny compartments of honeycomb pattern whose outer boundary was visible but the inner aspect was invisible, as he was observing dead cell, meaning empty cell. These tiny compartments appeared in his eyes as an empty box, and because of which he named cell to that little compartment. And this is because the word cell has been derived from Latin word cellula, which mean little compartment. Now let's know about cell theory. Cell theory is universally accepted one of the basic principle of biology. It was formulated by two scientists who are named as Matthias Euclidean and Theodor Eschawin. This theory was modified further by Rudolf Virchow. This theory refers to that first, all living organisms are made up of cells. Cells are the basic structural and functional unit of living organism. Third, plant cell having two covering outside to their cytoplasm, in which The outer covering is named cell wall, which is actually dead membrane, and the inner covering, just inner to cell wall and outside to cytoplasm, is named cell membrane, which is living membrane. But animal cell having only one covering outside to their cytoplasm, and that one covering which is outside to the cytoplasm of animal cell, acting as boundary wall, is named cell membrane. Fourth, all cells arise from pre-existing cells. In the next video, I will tell you about cell wall and cell membrane. Thanks now.